You need a 15mm wrench for this procedure. If you need to remove the brake assembly, please follow the manufacturer's instructions. Start the disassembly by disconnecting the harmony cable. You must pull the ribbed section before you can unplug the connector. Untighten both nuts. Rotate the interface to make room for the chain so you can easily remove the rear wheel. Reinstall the rear wheel by guiding the chain or belt over the sprocket. Rotate the interface until the cable connector aligns to the chainstay. Make sure your chain or belt is correctly set on the front chainring so you can set the proper tension. Once you have properly set the tension, tighten both acorn nuts with a 15mm wrench to 30 to 40 Nm. Attach the cable to the harmony hub interface.